What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Percentages Trading. This is Martin for August 9th, 2019. So first stock we're going to talk about today is RKDA, RKDA Biosciences, Inc. This stock was our top stock of the day today, closing out at a big 124.38%. Big supernova. A lot of traders needed this stock to do a lot of big things today. All three major markets have been in the red quite recently, so this was a big supernova for a lot of traders to get back in the green. You can see right here that it started popping out with news in the morning saying that the USDA approved their drought-tolerant soybeans. News came out saying that they successfully completed the regulatory review process and obtained approval from the U.S. Department of Agriculture for its HB4 drought-tolerant soybeans, which paves the way for commercialization in the U.S. markets. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration had previously approved Verdeca's HB4 trait in 2017, but with the receipt of the USDA approval now, the HB4 trait has now been approved in more than 80% of the global soybean market. So it definitely looks like a sustainable process. So you can see right here, it had a lot of volatility in the pre-market, a little bit of a pullback, and then just continued to trail up, hitting a high of the day in the post-market around $5.05. So you can see right here on the day chart, it does look extremely overbought, but this was definitely great news for the company. So I would expect a little bit of a pullback, possibly to around $4 area or so if it wants to continue to get bullish. But we do want it to break past this $5 resistance. It looks like it's meeting some resistance right around that area. So if it's going to get bullish again, we definitely want it to pass that area or pull back and have it form up another pattern or where we could get in some gains. So we'll take a look at RKDA next week to see what patterns form. And then another stock we want to take a look at real quick is FBIO, Fortress Biotech Inc. So this stock started popping out in the post market. They announced their Q2 earnings. Looks like it was actually at a loss of negative 54% per share, but it was actually a beat because analyst consensus announced it as negative 58%. So it was a beat compared to the analyst consensus, but it was still recorded as a loss. But so they still started popping out in the post market, hit a high about $1.73. You can see right here, this previous red line was the previous resistance levels, and so it broke past there. So I would expect it to pull back a little bit tomorrow or a little bit next week on Monday, maybe about $1.50, $1.60 area or so. So we definitely wanted to see what patterns form on FBIO Monday. I'll set an alert right here about $1.60 and then take a look at FBIO come Monday. And last stock we want to take a look at real quick is LXRX. So LXRX started popping out today, actually closed out at 19.53%. And so they actually came out with news on one of Benzinga's most oversold stocks. They actually had a couple other news right here saying that they increased a little bit today. Citigroup actually on July 30th put them at a buy target at $3 per share. So we definitely want to keep our eyes on LXRX to see if it does want to continue to get bullish. You can see right here that it does looking like it's catching some support right here, but it looks like it's meeting some resistance as well right around the $1.55 area. It looks like it's forming more of a flag pattern, so it may pull back a little bit or so, but you can see on the day chart it does look like it has a lot of room to grow. A $3 buy target is double what the price is right now, so it'll be at 100% gain right there. So we definitely want to keep our eyes on LXRX to see if it does want to continue to get bullish. So we'll set our alert right here at a $1.55 and then take a look at LXRX next week. So that's all I have for today. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below, whether it's feedback or if it's just to say hi. I'd really love to hear from you. And make sure you join us in the club room. We have live scanners from Trade Ideas and Equity Feed with live commentary Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern, 5 a.m. Pacific. You can also check out our YouTube channel. Just search for Percentages Trading. Hit that subscribe button and tap that bell to make sure you don't miss out on our daily post-market videos. We're also on Facebook, so make sure you like our like page and join our Facebook group, Percentages Trading Club. And last but not least, go to our Instagram at Percentages Trading and hit that follow button. So that's all I have for today. Good luck trading, traders. Have a good weekend. We'll see you on Monday. And remember, it's all about those percentages.